skewed, so maybe it's normal.
So did you put that on your thing? Because that would be cool.
No, I didn't, but I was thinking it.
That'd be like my ... thing.
Yeah. But I would be okay with skipping that one too.
Okay. So we're on number 9 then.
Okay, I'll go. What is the mean and standard deviation of the sampling distribution based on the 750 telephone users? So the mean is the 7%, which is 0.07. And then the standard deviation, I use that equation of p times 1 minus p divided by n. And so it was the square root of 0.07 times 1 minus 0.07 divided by 750, and I got 0.0093.
That's what I got. Or 0.9%.
Yes.
Quite nice.
Do you want me to keep going?
No, let's go to Susan.
Okay, state the problem in terms of variable. So p hat is greater than 60 divided by 750 or 0.08.
How did you get that?
Pardon?
Is that the x over n thing?
Yeah, so that's the 60 divided by 750.
Okay.
Because we're focusing on like the 60 phone users.
That will always confuse me, but okay.
So we use the p hat to do variables.
Yes.
Like we're stating the problem in terms of the variable. That's what threw me. So when we're looking for variables, x over n is the variable.
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
Okay. My turn. Draw a picture, the normal curve, and the shade the desired area. So we're going to do the regular probability applet thing. And so it looked like a nice bell-shaped curve, and you'd shade the right side because we're looking for the probability that it's more than 64 users. So everything to the right would be shaded. Is that correct?
Yep.
Would it be the middle part and the right part, or just the right part?
I think just the right part.
Okay.
So convert this z-score. Beth, do you want to do that one?
Sure. All right, z-score. So that is 0.08, right?
Yep.
Minus p, which is 7%. 0.07. Hold on, I gotta put that in my calculator. 0.08 minus 0.07 is 0.01 divided by the square root of
So I get
0.07. Huh?
Sorry, I was just coughing.
Okay, 0.07 times 1 minus 0.07. And that is divided by... Oh, wait. I wrote it down wrong, I think. Wait, are there two square roots in this?
There's just one.
Yeah.
So basically it's just like taking 0.08 minus 0.07 divided by your standard deviation.
Okay, so there's no big square root over the entire bottom of the equation.
Over the bottom one there is, but not over the whole equation.
Yeah, over the entire bottom.
Yeah.
So I'm taking the square root of p times 1 minus p over the square root of n, or is it just n?
P times P1 minus P divided by N should all be underneath your square root.
Okay, gotcha. All right, that's divided by n is 60?
750.
Oh, 750. Okay, I got 1.073.
That's what I got.
That's what I got.
Yay!
Okay. So find the area under the standard normal curve. So using the applet, type 1.073 in the z-score. The area is 0.0416.
Me too.
Interpret the data.
There's a 0.1416 chance that more than 60 phone users in the survey only use cell phones.
What number did you say? Point what?
0.1416. Do any of you have a home phone?
Nope.
I had
Oh.
0.0416. Did I write that down wrong?
I think you said it wrong. Yeah, area is 0.1.
0 point.
0.416.
No, 1416.
Yeah. I probably said it wrong, actually.
0.416. Okay.
That's weird because I had 0.0416. So I must have wrote it down wrong as well. So
No,
That's actually, sorry. That's actually 41.5% of the 60 people. Or that more than 60 phone users use the cell phones.
yes.
That's almost half. That's crazy.
All right. Are we ready to go to the group preparation thing?
Yep.
4.
All right. Oh, that was weird. I totally just heard myself in someone else's speaker.
You echoed.
I didn't. "17 questions. That's a lot of questions.
That's what I was doing. How many times are they going to torture us?
Well, it was a relatively easy lesson. Like, sure, I'm surprised there's 17 questions.
Yeah.
I feel underprepared all of a sudden. Okay, in the pie chart, why are the slices sectors different sizes? Because it's visually more appealing. Just kidding.
Cough.
Each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the category. That is
That
my
one.
question.
Yep.
Okay. 3?
4.
Sorry.
How are bar charts and Pareto charts related? The last one. Pareto are ordered.
Yay. Okay.
Oh,
That's you.
bless you.
Thank you.
Susan, do you want to do 5?
Yeah, but I don't know the answer. P is the P the true proportion or the sample proportion? It's the sample, isn't it?
I think that P is the true
Proportion.
proportion and that P hat is the sample proportion.
Yeah.
So P is the true proportion.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
And n is the sample size.
Which that has not changed, has it?
Thank goodness.
No.
Everything else has changed. If p equals 1/4, what is the smallest n that satisfies the requirement?
Uh,
Okay, so a fourth, so it has to be 40? 41?
Wait. Because a quarter times 40 is 10, so that would meet that requirement. And then um,
1 minus 40 would still meet the requirement. So 40, I think.
I think you're right.
Because say n was 1, so 1 times 1 minus 40. Wait.
so it'd be 1 minus a quarter times 40.
Oh, right.
So that'd
be fine. It just would have to be the p on the other side that would have to be greater than, so I'm thinking 40. That's my thoughts.
So what is 0.75 times 40? That's 30, right?
What?
Because 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75, right?
Yeah. So what is 1 times 0.75?
No, because P is 0.25, so 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75, and then 0.75 times 40 is 30, right?
Ah.
Yes, it is. Okay, got it. Yes.
And that's greater than 10, so
Yes.
40 is the answer.
Okay. I'm on the same page. I got there eventually.
I'm like, am I just going crazy?
No.
It's like pure silence.
He's like, what?
That's funny. Okay.
Number 8. Is that me?
No, I
Wait.
think that's me.
Okay, great. Oh, that's right, because I did the weird one. Go for it.
Okay, okay, use following information. N equals 24 and P is 0.4. So what is the mean? It would be 0.4.
Yes.
So did you decide 10 was number 7?
No. We decided 40 would be 40 would be 7. Does that make sense, Susan?
No.
Okay, so if we took 40, which is n, and we times it by p, which is 0.25, that equals to be 10, and it has to be greater than or equal to 10. So that satisfies the first one. And then if we took n, which is 40, and times it by 1 minus 0.25, which is p, that comes to be 30, which is also equal to or greater than 10. So that satisfies both of them.
So what's the answer again?
40.
Is it my turn? Number 9. What is the standard deviation of p hat? And that's going to be p hat minus p. Is that the one where we do have to do the whole equation?
Yeah, I think this is the square root. And it would be, so square root of all and then
I've got
times
no idea.
divided by 20. Correct.
You the square root of 0.04
I think
times what?
it's just
Oh, sorry,
0.4.
0.4. My bad. You're right.
The square root of 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4 divided by 24.
Oh my gosh.
I got 0.1.
I got 0.1.
Okay. Did you get 0.1, Susan?
No, I don't know how to do these.
Do you want us to explain it to you so that you can see it and understand
Okay,
it?
we don't use that formula that's in number 5. We use that one that's the
Nope, number 5 is different. So this one we're finding the standard deviation, and that's the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
and then the square root over all of that, right?
Yeah, so
P is the
p is 0.4.
or
You put the square root of 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4 and have those in parentheses and then divide that by 24. And all of that should be under your square root.
so you get 24 divided by 24. That's 1. Is that right?
Point.
Sorry.
Because 0.4 times 0.6 is 0.24 divided by 24.
Sorry, what? I think all of us got 0.1, so I'm not sure what happened.
Okay, 1 minus 0.4 in that first parentheses would give you 0.6, right? Times
Yep.
0.4 is the P.
Yep.
0.24. And then you divide that. What's your N?
N is 24.
So you get 1, right?
Point.
Yeah, 0.1.
Did you put all that under the square root?
Well, that's, and then you do 0.1 as square root.
Right, so 0.1.
0.1. This is,
Yes.
I'm
Yep.
sorry, this is just
Yep.
stupid. Ridiculous. Thank you, ladies. Fail the rest of this.
Okay. Are you okay to move on, or do you want us to go over that one more time, Susan?
Oh, I've got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Is it my turn?
It is.
All right, 10 through 13. The batting average is 0.3. We want to get the probability that she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at bats. Okay, so the P hat, that is 35 divided by 100.
That's what I got.
35 divided by 100.
0.35.
Okay.
Wait, isn't p hat the same as p, guys?
What? The mean of P hat is
My bad.
Okay.
So it's my turn. So it's a standard deviation. So you guys got
0.35.
0.35.
So that's what I got.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you took point. We put 35 divided by 100. Okay, got it. Okay. What is the standard deviation? So we're going to take the square root of. Put my parentheses in correctly here.
0.3.
0.3 times 1 minus 0.3. Parenthesize that sucker. Divide it by 100. And that should be 0.145.
I got 0.046.
Oh, no, hold on.
That's what I got.
Hold on. I put 10 instead of 100.
Oh.
0.046.
0.046 because it's by 10, not 100. Lovely. Okay. Z-score. Ooh, that's fun.
Okay. So the z-score
Oh, we can use the 0.056.
on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we take.
So it's 0.35 minus 0.3.
0.35 minus 0.3 divided by the square root. Or, just kidding, not the square root. Just divided by.
0.046.
Wait, no. Yeah, 0.046. So 0.35 minus 0.0. Let's see. 0.3
Okay.
divided by 0.046.
What'd you get?
I got 1.087.
Okay. I don't know if it makes a difference.
But it is rounded.
Yeah, so I put 0.0458. Just to see, and it makes mine come out to be 1.0917. What do you think?
So let's see.
I think we should use the unrounded version just because,
Oh, see, on 11 it says round to 3 decimal places.
right, but if we did the z-score without using the rounded version, if we just did it using everything in it, it would not have the rounded version in it.
That's true. So what did you get?
1.0917. So 1.092.
That's a good catch. It's probably
1.091.
I think we said 0.92.
Oh, 2.
Because I rounded, because it's 1.7, so I rounded to 2.
Huh.
Does that make sense?
That's not what I got.
What'd you get?
I got 1.0910.
Okay. So I just used 0.04583. So I used the same answer that we got, just didn't round it. So what did...
No, I did the same thing. I didn't round it.
Okay, well, I'm just going to put it in just regular then. Just the whole z-score in. So 0.35 minus 0.3 divided by the square root of...
I didn't square root the 100. Oh, wait. I'm not supposed to square root the 100.
0.058825.
So weird.
Well, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do point P, which is 0.3. times 1 minus 0.3 divided by 100. Okay, I got 1.0910.
That's what I got.
So I apparently rounded it, even I rounded it too much. So
Okay. Point
1.09.
1.0191.
We're popular over here. Okay.
Did you get that, Susan? Oh, she's not there, I don't think.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I hear voices.
We'll skip her. She will catch her up when she gets back.
Yeah, my husband came home, so I was saying hi to him.
That's okay with us.
What's the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 bets? I've got no idea.
Did you get 12?
Yeah, 1.919.
1.091.
Thanks.
Okay, 13. Do we have to put that in the probability applet, right?
Oh, and just put that number in the applet? I can do that.
Oh my gosh, what did
Yeah,
I
put
do?
the z-score in the applet.
What's wrong, Beth?
I'm so confused. Okay, so I just did the whole z-score problem over again, and I got -6, and I was like, what?
Mm.
What did I
Well,
do? Okay, but forget it. I know it's not 6.
I'm going to go with 1.091 since we both got that.
Yeah.
But you can go with 6 if you want to.
No thanks.
So what do we have to have shaded? Just the middle blue section or both the left and the middle?
Just the middle, actually, I think.
So the area is 0.7247. That'd be 725 to round it.
Yeah. Do you guys agree with that? It should be the middle because it says, oh, gets it at least. Sorry, nope. It needs to shade
The right,
middle and right.
Middle and right.
Right, guys?
I think so.
I believe so.
Then we get 0.8624.
I think that's right.
2, 4. We round it to 3, so 0.862.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. I'm making my brain hurt. Okay. Who's got 14? Who's after Susan?
Is that me?
Yeah. I think so. I don't know, though.
If the true population of people who support a political candidate is 0.52 and 2,000 people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest that the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. What is the standard deviation of P?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Standard deviation is square root.
Wait.
Huh?
Never mind. I'll be quiet.
0.52
Right.
times
0.52.
1 minus divided by 2,000. Point 0.0112.
0.0112. But it's going to be 0.011.
Yep.
0.001248. Then you have to square root that.
Go ahead and do that.
You get 0.03532.
That's not what we got.
You got point. What did you guys get? 0.11, 0.011,
Yep.
0.01.
0.011171.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Sorry, Susan.
What's the matter with my calculator? Got the
Sometimes
calculator right.
Are you putting your parentheses in?
No, I just do it all separate.
Oh. I don't know. Z-score. I'm going to start figuring out the Z-score. So I'm going to take 0.5. No, wait, hold on. P's first. No, P hat is first. So
So
0.5 minus
Wait.
0.52 divided by the square root of 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 parentheses divided by 2,000. I got negative 1.790.
Did you put the P and P hat backwards?
no.
No, I did not.
The P
So you
hat
did-
goes first.
P
So you
hat's
did
first.
0.011
No,
minus 0.52.
I did P hat, which is 0.5.
Oh, that comes from the equation. Does that come from the equation?
It comes from our word problem.
Okay, so getting less than 50%.
hmm
Okay.
Holy cow. So I did 0.5 minus 0.52. That's P hat minus P. Divided by the square root of 0.5.
0.011.
Yep. But I did it all the way through to make sure that I didn't round in unnecessary places.
Okay.
So I got negative 1.790. Did anybody else get the same thing?
I got the same thing.
I got the same.
That is lovely. Good to hear. Susan, how are you doing?
Hey, I got 0.01117 for 14. I
Yeah.
had only divided by 200 instead of 2,000.
Oh, I did that last time. I divided by 10 instead of 100. Yay. Okay. 16. That would be Kelly.
Did Susan get 15?
Then this, yeah, I just wrote that down. Negative 1.790.
Right.
Okay. What probability do you compute using the normal probability applet? So this would be Canada's losing the election was. Let's see.
Is it the last
I
one?
want to determine the probability going to lose. So yes, it would be the second one. Is that correct?
What is big
Or
little Z?
yeah, I'm trying to, because like this could go like, I
Well,
guess.
since we got a negative answer, wouldn't it be the less than? And what's a big Z and a little z mean?
It looks like the little z would be like the z-score, but I don't know. That's weird.
Okay, because it says we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election.
So it'd be the first one where, I don't know.
Wait, they didn't even cover this, did they?
Because it's like, which one is
In
which?
the homework, on 9 and 10, they had problems with this Z, big Z. And
So
then, so
would it be the first one since little z
Do you have your
is-
homework up, Susan?
I just have the printout. I printed it off.
Okay, so does it give us any
It
clues?
just says, number 9 question is, you want to know the probability that the poll results will show that your candidate will get less than 50% of the vote. What
Okay.
z-score will be used? And then they used the little z-score to represent the negative 1.7. And then number 10 is, what is the probability that the poll results will show that your candidate will get less than 50% of the vote? And they had P with a big Z is less than the 1.774.
So the second one. Okay. And does anybody have their applet up?
I do.
Could you put the z-score of negative 1.790 in it?
Yep. And just have the left side shaded, right?
Less than, yes.
So negative 1.790.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It says 0 is less than the area. What did I do wrong?
Oh,
Okay, let me do this again.
So don't put it in the area, you put it in your z-score spot. Right?
Yeah.
yeah, negative
Side.
1.7.
0.0367.
And only the left side is
Yes,
shaded?
only the left side.
0.57?
0.0367. So it'll be 037.
Seven.
Rounded.
0.037.
Okay.
That sounds great. Okay.
Awful.
Okay, we got number 13 wrong. That's weird. I wonder why we got number 13 wrong.
Yeah, that is
Do
weird.
you still have your applet up?
Yeah.
Can you put the z-score 1.091 in there again?
Which sides do you want shaded?
And
we did the middle and right side.
Right.
I guess it was just supposed to be the right.
What was the middle and the right? Just to make sure we put it in right.
Okay, 1.091 with just the right side shaded.
Yeah.
0.1376.
But was it with the middle and the one?
Okay, now with the middle shaded and the right, it is 0.8624.
Okay.
So we should have shaded just the right then?
I guess so. Let's say, what is the probability that Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100? Huh.
That should have just been right. That's weird.
Because it sounds like the middle should be shaded because it says at least, but... Well, I guess
It
not.
can only be a third, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so it is from the right side. But we still got an A!
Yay! I like A's.
Me too.
Okay. So, Beth, do you want to start it or do you want me to start it tomorrow?
I can start it.
Okay, does somebody else want to lead tomorrow? Sorry, Beth, did you say you would start it?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. We'll let Beth lead. I'm sorry, I thought you said you can start it, and I'm like, all right, let's have someone else lead then. My bad. All right, Beth. Just ignore me today. All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow.
All right. Take care, everyone.
You
We
too.
stop.
Thanks.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.